We play it by ear. Again, what an honor and a blessing it is that we've been asked to witness and to participate in it. It would only seem fitting that I have you all here in attendance, and they've asked you to share in this moment. So I'm going to put all of you on the spot by simply asking you, will you all support my couple in the covenant of marriage they are about to enter into? And if so, I'd like to hear everyone say we will.
We will.
Thank you. Please be seated. If you'd like to do some
I need this though.
Joining hands. How you feeling? You can get a little closer to her. I mean, you're going to marry her and all.
It's a little close.
First off, thank you for your service to our country. It's an honor to stand here before you and be able to serve those that serve us. But I'd like to share with you that my father taught me something, and I always considered him to be a great man with a great military record, by the way, 1st Marine Division, Guadalcanal. He told me that there's nothing stronger in the world than the heart of a volunteer. I believed those words from my father until I started doing what I do. I actually found out that there's a stronger heart, and that's anyone that marries anyone in the military. So with that said, thank you for your service to our country. It's greatly appreciated. Also with that thought process, I hope you don't mind if I share some of my past in an effort to help your future. And with that said, I'd like to share with you that up until 13 years ago, I shared with every couple I married rules and regulations about marriage. I have to be honest, I thought these were some pretty good rules and some pretty awesome regulations. I told you that ended 13 years ago. You see, 13 years ago, I got married. My wife, she came down the aisle, she joined me at the altar, and unbeknownst to me, she had her own rules and regulations about marriage. Derek, I hope you don't mind if I share with you a wonderful word I learned on my wedding day. That word is called compromise.